Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Kelsey. Thank you so much for joining me today. And welcome to day 3 of Brow Week. So every day this week I am taking a look at a different drugstore cruelty-free brow pencil and sharing with you some of my thoughts. I'm also going to show a clip of me applying it and then also rating it on like 4 different areas that I think are important. Today we're talking about the Essence Eyebrow Designer Pencil. So this brow pencil has definitely been around for a little while. I've had this brow pencil for a while, so it looks a little used. But it's a really affordable option and it's pretty good. So I'm gonna put this on really quick and then we'll come back with some ratings. Now since this pencil is one that you need to sharpen and there's no spoolie on the other end, there's like a little brush but it doesn't really do much, I'm going to bring a brush out that has a little spoolie on it, this little guy here from e.l.f., and I'm gonna brush through my brows first and then we'll apply it. Now that I have that applied to my brows, let's talk a little bit about this product. So I'm going to be rating this on 4 areas. One is going to be ease of application, second area is longevity, third is value, and fourth is packaging. The first area, ease of application. I actually think this is really easy to apply. I mean, it's a traditional pencil. It's not going to be like something super fine, but if you watched my first 2 videos this week where I talked about the e.l.f. Instant Lift Brow Pencil and the NYX Micro Brow Pencil, you may have heard that I kind of prefer the e.l.f. one with a little bit of like a heftier pencil size, just because I think it's easier to apply. And something about this one is that it's not like overly pigmented, like it's not like you're not gonna just put it on and it's gonna like leave a ton of product. You kind of have to work with it a little bit, but I feel like that makes it easier. Like you're not gonna over apply it, and that's kind of my problem with brows. I feel like sometimes I just get like too much on my eyebrows and then you have to like comb through it and it's just weird. So for ease of application, I gave this a 4 out of 5 for those reasons, but also, I mean, it's a little annoying that this kind of goes into the packaging later, but like I wish there was a spoolie with it, and it's kind of annoying to like sharpen a pencil, but it's not a huge ordeal. For longevity, I'm giving this a 3 out of 5 because I do think it lasts, but like I said, it's kind of like, it's not really waxy and it's very like thin feeling on your brows, so I feel like it doesn't last a super long time. But like I've said in my previous 2 videos this week, if you use some brow mascara with it, it's gonna help lock it in a little bit longer. And I think have to mention that I really enjoy the color of this. I think it's a great color for my brows, and I have it in the shade Blonde, I think. Yes, I have it in the shade Blonde, and I think it's a really nice match for my brows, and it does look nice, I think. For value, I'm giving this a 4 out of 5. This is $1.99 and you get a full gram of product, which is a lot of brow pencil. The first 2 that I talked about this week, the e.l.f. has 0.18 grams and the NYX has 0.09 grams. And the e.l.f. is $2, but the NYX is $10. And this is $2 and you get a full gram, which is a lot of product. But granted, since you have to sharpen it, you are going to lose some of it, but not like enough to make up the difference in pricing. And so I think this is a good deal, but kind of going back to the packaging again, you kind of have to pull in something else because you can't really, like, while you might be able to use this, it doesn't work super well, so like you kind of need a spoolie of some kind. So that's the only reason I gave it a 4 out of 5 instead of 5 out of 5. And also, Essence is on sale all the time at Ulta. You can get it buy one, get one half off, like all the time. You can use a coupon on it, and so you can get this for like so cheap. And then packaging, I'm giving this a 3 out of 5. This is kind of the root of all my problems with this, is that I just kind of prefer like a retractable pencil, and like something with a spoolie on it, because it's just easy. You don't have to like reach for another product or a brush to assist you with your eyebrows. And so 3 out of 5 for that reason. So overall, I'm giving this brow product a 13 out of 20 on my scoring system, if that means anything to you. But I do think this is a good product, and especially for the value you're getting, where you get a full gram, it's pretty good. And if you're into like less precision in brow pencils, which I am, maybe this is a good one for you to try. And cruelty-free, $1.99, great color for me. I know there's not like a huge color selection, but if you can find one that works for you, I do think this is a great deal. So if you haven't checked out any of my other Brow Week videos for this week, the day 1 and day 2, make sure to check those out. I'll link those above and down below. And if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe down below if you haven't already. I would love to have you around. And make sure to tune in for tomorrow, where I'll be talking about another brow product. And until then, bye guys.